Are you a first-time home buyer excited to embark on this milestone journey? Be careful not to fall into common traps that can turn your dream home into nightmare. One common mistake is rushing into purchase without fully understanding the financial commitment and overspending or underestimating the expenses that can lead to long-term financial stress and even foreclosure. See, the key is to research and plan ahead of time. So start by setting a realistic budget and getting pre-approved for mortgage. And don't forget to consider additional costs like property taxes and insurance, and also maintenance. So take the time to understand your financial capabilities and ensure you can afford the monthly payment. And if you don't really know how much you can afford, seek an advice from professionals such as a real estate agent like myself or a mortgage broker who can guide you through the process. And the next thing you can do is you can attend homebuyer education courses to gain some knowledge and confidence. Remember, patience and due diligence are crucial to making a smart and sustainable home purchase. And don't let the first-time home buyer mistakes ruin your future. With careful planning and informed decision, you can turn your dream into a happy reality. And if you want to buy or sell or invest in real estate, reach out to me. And also, if you want to learn how to analyze properties and buy your first rental, give me a follow and join my live on TikTok between Monday to Friday at 8 p.m. Central Time. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. Peace.